Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School Rania. So students, in this video we will gonna discuss about origin of transaction. Yes, if transaction is there, means if sale purchase is there, that because of some source documents and vouchers. Okay, in detail we will discuss source document and voucher, but in today's session we will only discuss source document. Okay, in the next video we will gonna discuss about what is voucher. First I will clear you what is source document. Source document is known as evidence, proof that sale is made or purchase is made. That's why it is called supporting document. Yes, there are seven source documents are. I'll give you example one by one. First is cash memo. Cash memo is when trader sells goods for cash, he gives cash memo. When I am solding goods to you, I will give you a give you a bill that is known as cash memo. Okay, if I am purchasing a goods for cash, then I will receive a cash memo. Yes, when I am selling goods for cash, then I have to give the cash memo. When I purchase goods for cash, then I have to receive cash memo. Okay, second one, invoice and bill. Cash memo is for cash, whether sale or purchase. Invoice bill on the basis of credit. Credit means udhar. Yes, when trader sold goods on credit, he prepares sales invoice. When trader purchased goods on credit, he received credit bill. Yes, when he is selling on goods on credit, he prepares sales invoice. When trader purchase goods on credit, he receive credit bill from the supplier. Okay, third one is receipt. Receipt is when trader receive cash from customer, he issue receipt. If in receipt what things are written? Date, amount, name of the customer. Okay, next, debit note. Yes, debit note and credit note, these both are most important terms. Okay, debit note is a document which indicates that supplier account is being debited. Yes, it is a source document which contains the date of transaction, name of the account which is debited, the amount and the reason of debit. Yes, debit note is where when we have obtained goods from supplier on credit, and now we are writing details of it when we taken goods on udhar or credit, because in the future we have to pay money to him. Next, credit note is goods are received back from customer. Yes, when customer is not liking our product, he returns goods to us. Okay, and credit note is sent to him indicating that customer account has been credited in our books. Yes, this is when we purchase from supplier on credit. When customer return goods to us, okay, then we have to send credit note to him or her. Next, paying slip. Paying slip is used in banks when we want to deposit a money, okay, or check into bank, then we have to fill the pay in slip. Last, check. Please check your father or your any elder member of your family of their checkbook. Okay, you will see the proforma. Check is a written document in which we write the specified amount to whom we are giving check. Okay, that is known as check. Okay, to student, try to find out its pictures on the net, that will help you. Okay, I will send you pictures. Please see that what is cash memo, invoice, receipt, debit note, credit note, paying slip, check. These are the source document. With the help of these, we will do entry in the books of account. Okay, next video we will discuss vouchers. Thanks everyone.